Hey, we got a third rule here. Let's get after it. This time 270 degrees. So that's three sets of 90. So we're going to be rotating again clockwise. And we're going to take a point and rotate it about the origin. That's the key. For these rules, it only works if it's about the origin. All right, so let's plot our points. Let's get going. We got 0, 5, so 0 over 5 up. And we got around the origin, so there's our center of rotation. Let's connect it, the point to the center of rotation. Ugly, but I'm going to go with it. Okay, so now 90 clockwise would be there. 180, like we just practiced, is right there. So then 270 would be right there. Still 5 units long. So let's draw in our dot here. Boom. All right, so let's plot. Let's talk about the pre-image was at 0, 5, and the image now is at -5, 0. All right, so it looks like again we got a flip-flop thing going on, and this time it looks like the old y, changed to its opposite. So let's check that out. Let's do another one. All right, so this is 4, 0. So that means over 4, up 0. Walk to get to the elevator. We're doing about the origin again. We're going to connect it with a red line here. Whoops. It's not going. There we go. Let's forget that. All right, so now we're going 270. So here's 90, 90, 90, 270. So this line is going to be facing up like this. And it's supposed to be 4 long, so I'll stop it right there. Now I'll put in a blue dot there where it's going to end up. I'm going to compare the two. It used to be 4, 0, but now it's 0 over and 4 up. Notice x coordinate didn't change its sign, but it did switch its position. So it came first, now it comes second, but it still stayed positive. All right, and we don't know anything about the y because it's 0 and there's no opposite of 0, so who knows. But let's do one more here. Perfect. 5, 3. So we're going to plot that. Again, we're rotating about the origin, so 5 over 3 up. We're going to connect it to the origin with an L. So let's go up and over. And that is going to, right, it's going to go, we're going to rotate it 270. So there's 90, there's 90, there's 90. Now, if we rotate it around, that would make this line here, that would make it shoot up like that. And it's going to be the same distance, so that's going to be 5. All right, call it the pinwheel method. And we have our other point, which goes right there. And let's check out those coordinates. So the pre-image was 5, 3, and now the new image is going to be, looks like -3, -3, 5. So it looks like they flip-flop positions. The x coordinate just stays the same sign, right? X coordinate stays the same sign, and the old y coordinate changes to its opposite and takes the position of the x coordinate. All right, so flip-flop and change the y to its op. Okay, flip-flop y op. I don't know. Can we use that? Can we run with that? All right, so that's our little intro on that. Hopefully, with some practice, we'll be good to go.